Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use PowerRename in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. If you need to rename multiple files or folders at once, PowerRename makes the job fast, flexible, and much easier than renaming each file individually. So let's get started. First, make sure Microsoft PowerToys is installed and that the PowerRename utility is enabled. You can check this by opening PowerToys and selecting PowerRename from the menu on the left. If it's turned off, simply switch the toggle to enable it. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing the files or folders you want to rename. Select one or more items, then right-click your selection and choose PowerRename from the context menu. This will open the PowerRename window with a live preview of your changes. Now enter the text you want to find in the search for field, then type the replacement text in the Replace with field. As you make changes, the preview updates automatically so you can see exactly how the new file names will look. This helps you catch mistakes before applying the changes. You can also use additional options like matching the case, including file extensions, using regular expressions, or applying the rename only to selected parts of the file names. Once you're happy with the preview, click Apply to rename all the selected files at once, and that's it. You now know how to use PowerRename in Microsoft PowerToys to rename multiple files quickly and efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone,